Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for an amazing set of bottles for your next DIY project, you need to check out these 3.4-ounce bottles from Tessco. I recently had a do-it-yourself make and take hair oil party with some friends, and these bottles were so perfect for mixing in our carrier oils with essential oils. I love that these come with a dropper top because that makes it so convenient and easy to get just the right amount of whatever it is you have inside these bottles. It drops out slowly enough that you're not going to get too much at one time. Another huge thing for me is that the seal is really tight and these don't leak. It's so nice that the kit comes with funnels because that makes it clean and easy to get the oils inside of the bottles without making a large mess. I got the 20 pack, which was perfect because I had 16 people at my party. It left me with a few extras, and I just love this color. It's cobalt blue. It's just gorgeous. I'm really impressed with the quality of these bottles. They have been really good for my DIY projects. I think that you'll like them too, and that's my point of view.